So there's the house right there. You can see that big valley right there. Has a lot of water. We are at this house here, and look what we have. We have a gutter guy that did a shortcut. They put the downspout on top of the roof instead of using the drain pipe here. Looks like no downspout here either. That just has holes. So that needs to be a bigger gutter with a bigger downspout probably. Going all the way down because of that big valley, lots of volume. We are up here checking out this gutter. And so this is how it looks before the removal. They got a couple of holes here for water to escape, and they have no downspout. I want to show you the removal. After the removal, looks like this is how it looks. Looks like it's sealed up. The gutter location, so we're looking above the window now. Why is the window leaking? Well, it's sealed up here. If we come around here, we have a small hole right there, and then we have some holes right there. I see a hole here where the water can enter. Right in there. So that could be a possibility. Here's this fascia gutter. Super narrow. Well, actually, it didn't even have an outlet. Let's take a look right here. Yeah, see, it's all plugged up. It just had a couple holes right there. Drilled out. We're gonna go with a 6K gutter, and we're actually gonna replace this gutter as well and get this downspout off this roof, because all that water from the top comes down and goes inside the post. So we want to have a separate downspout right here, and there's a pipe right there. There's also a pipe for that downspout. Got the gutter installed with a downspout. Sealed up the corner there a little bit. One more gutter to go. Gutter has been overflowing here for a while. The other day I cleared out the gutter screens. So I took this out, but you can see how much mud is in there. So eventually it just clogs up, bakes on like that, and started to overflow. Second gutter installed with a max flow outlet. Downspout come down, and a leaf trap.